same system.
I got a 5,000.
Okay, Max, Ray, Dad, then. Let's go.
I'm ready to go however.
Go. I'll be lost. Go. Hey, go. Max.
We got a 5-plane gaggle. This is gonna be fun.
I'm glad none of us are on DSM-2.
Nope.
Yeah, nobody's flying DSM-2. That's good.
Filming this one?
Yeah, of course, always. We must.
Yeah.
Hey, who's hanging out?
All right, everybody get over the runway.
Who's hanging out?
What the hell?
I'm in the starting position.
I guess I'm going first.
I'll be last.
Sia wanted to violate me there.
Hey, are you the one with the light in the front?
I'm
Hey, you go first, I'll go
That
second.
sun is perfect.
I'm fine with being last. I'm okay.
That sun is perfect.
Okay, who's that at the end?
Max, pull up. Whoever's at the end, pull up. No. Whoever's the last Havoc, pull up.
Who's in the Havoc in the
I
back?
have the Havoc. That's me.
Hey,
Okay,
pull
go.
up, Keon.
I'm taking off last, guys. I'm okay.
Okay.
All right, ready,
Alright.
take off.
Hey, go first, I'll follow.
I go third.
Turning left.
Oh my god.
Alright, I guess I'm
Oh my God, this is nuts.
The gaggle.
I love it.
Follow me.
Oh god. Fast.
I don't even know where you are.
Going up.
Oh my God.
Going up here.
Let's not go downwind. This is it, guys.
Big old loop. I'm gonna get all the up.
someone go downwind? Okay.
Jesus.
I'm gonna join Max. Let's get back together.
Alright, I'm going downwind.
That is to the downwind.
Oh my God, downwind. What the heck? You guys are nuts. I got a downwind going too. This is crazy.
Where's Keon?
The green one, okay. All right. I have no clue what's going on. We're just flying like crazy people.
I'm gonna join up with you.
Alright, everybody, let's do it.
Go.
Guys. Upwind
Okay, I'm over the
fast.
runway now. I guess I'm in the lead here.
Let's not go fast though. Let's go.
Yeah,
No need to go forward. I'll be on the.
I'm gliding. Whoa!
This
Sheesh!
is a shit show.
Oh, this is crazy.
I'm going slow here. Come on, I'm gonna go slow.
I'm hanging out up high.
Who's doing the rolling Harrier?
That was me doing the rolls. Alright, low and slow. Oh yeah, not fast.
That was kind of cool. Oh God, can you see? My God. The youngbloods keep walking forward. What the heck?
I think that's your dad. I think I'm out.
Max and Keon, take 2 steps back.
I'm doing a solo.
Time remaining.
I'm
1
going super
minute.
low on this one, alright?
I'll join you, Max.
I'm right there with you, Nate.
I got you. Oh, sorry.
So you're good. I'll stick with you.
Alright. I got about, I don't know, probably a minute left.
Okay, I guess I'll land first if you got a minute left. Gear check and then
Me
I'll
and Ray are
land.
gonna chill so we can get a little more. Like,
I'm right with you.
Right here.
God, who's cutting in?
30 seconds.
Okay, getting on base turn final.
Alright, I'm gonna come in.
show downwind scoop the shit out of everybody.
No, it's okay. That's what I used to do to Frank. Anytime he'd land, I'd set up and do a downwind over him.
Alright, where are you guys? I'm down. I'm gonna go roll all the way to the end, guys.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Oh, that's me. The Hawk? That's me.
Time expired.
Now you got another hawk on you.
Ah, 2 hawks in the Havoc. I am way off at the end.
Alright, I'm speeding ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
I am far to the left at the end.
Alright, I'm gonna put my gear on the next pass, guys.
I'll be the last one. Okay.
Hey Ray, you wanna come in with me?
I can. You coming gear down now or on the next pass? Okay. But then I'll come in with you. Just tell me where you're going to be.
Gear down.
Landing! I'll land short.
Just tell me what side of the runway.
Landing flaps.
Okay. Just tell me, wherever you're going to be, I'll be the opposite.
Yeah.
Keep it on the closer side of the runway towards us.
Okay. Go, Nate. I'll go behind you.
Once we all land, alright? Right next to the sunset, guys. Stay at the end. Roll all the way to the end, but closer to us. Very nice.
Not going to the right side.
Alright.
Flaps up.
Got it. That was cool.
Or is that, what do you know? Let's go get a picture.
Pack up soon.
Let's go get one quick picture, alright? Alright.
Instagram picture.
Insta.
What?
IG. Okay, now who's landing? Keon? Now it's so quiet. It was so noisy there for a few minutes.
Very nice. Dude, my landing was trash on that one.
Trashy. Are we going to take a picture down there or what?
Right next to the sunset. My line got like that might be me. That was you. That might have been me. Not gonna lie.
You put your F-22 away yet?
No. Flight again.
Okay. You fly yours and I'll fly mine.
Which one is mine?
I was going to see let's go together.
We can't! So I'm a ding dong. I got to get a nose and put it in the back. Leave it in the back of my car. Shut up, squirrel.
Very nice.
Havocs in the back. Hawks in the front.
I know the hawk is
Horses in the back.
Horses?
But the Hawks are kind of beater and the Havocs are kind of,
Dude, the hawks are the superior though.
No, they're not. Havocs.
What do you mean these fly way better?
No, Havoc was Havoc over Hawk.
So there's 3. Put 3 in the back and 2 in front.
Yeah, no, this doesn't look right. This doesn't look right.
So get 3.
Yeah,
so
that's angled.
get
and then
the-
take a picture with like the pilots and the
Yeah, get 3 together.
Like this. Just no, we gotta angle like that and then take a picture with the
So
pilots
here,
and the
Nate, you
planes.
put yours
No,
there.
one
Nate, you
one
put yours
just
there.
the planes, okay.
Okay.
No,
And then-
Havocs? No.
And then the other Havoc there, and we're good.
Havoc there, perfect.
Yeah, we're good.
Alright, sounds good.
It's like that.
Are we with pilots or without pilots? Well,
We can stand behind it.
One without. Oh, I gotta get mine a little
One
closer.
without.
And then we'll...
That's a gag.
It's so cute!
See ya, turn yours to the
Oh.
right a little bit.
Wait. Yeah.
See ya, turn
Come
yours
on,
to the...
man. That's crooked.
There you go.
There you go.
Alright, perfect.
I got my picture. I'm
You
good.
want to get it from this angle. I'm gonna get it from every angle. Send it to FMS. Be like, can we get some free planes?
Yeah, there you go.
Seriously.
That's all FMS right there.
Pretty much, yeah. The Havoc is big.
It is F. I mean, look at the gear. They look the same. Even the wheels are the same. Do we want to be this way?
It's got no white.
Alright. Let's just all stand behind them, alright?
So that's here. There we go.
Yeah. That's how we roll.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Perfect! Hey!
Oh,
Hey! What's that?
bumper cars.
Come on!
RG!
Oh my God! Come on now!